Guys, I'm so happy today. Okay, so hi, Nelo here with a very beautiful face. In case you're seeing my face for the very first time, okay, even though I know you're not, but if you are, this is the time to subscribe. Or if you're not, but you've not subscribed, this is also the time to subscribe. So basically, I'm in a good mood today. You guys, it's obvious. Okay, I'm about to do some unboxing today. That's my laptop. Yeah, that's me showing on my laptop. Let me show you guys my face. So this is how I see myself when I'm filming, and just make sure I'm in frame. And yeah, and I like how I look. I don't always do this, but I'm doing it today, even though I'm not looking at it. But basically, I'm here today because I'm about to do an unboxing. So my husband and I usually don't exchange gifts for Valentine or even anniversary. Yeah, I don't know. Whenever it's Valentine's, we normally see all you people giving yourselves flowers and what's it called? Roses. Like it's not the same thing. And chocolates and going on trips and buy yourself gifts and whatnot. And we're normally like, oh, good for them, but we're not doing anything. So it's not really like a holiday or celebration or whatever it is that is important to me. It's really not. My birthdays, on the other hand, I think personally, if my husband don't celebrate my birthday, it's a cause for divorce. It's like he knows that one. So if you've been following me for years, you know that I don't joke with my birthdays. I always get what I want for my birthdays. Let my husband not see this video because I've been telling him what I want this year. He's like, Nelo, enough is enough. Let's give each other meaningful, inexpensive gifts. I'm like, excuse me, sir, I do not understand the English you're speaking. But basically, I take my birthdays very seriously, and my husband always gets me what I want for my birthday. But we're not here for birthdays. My birthday is very soon, by the way. It's September, but it's very soon to me. But we're here today for Valentine, okay, and anniversary. So my Valentine and anniversary is a week apart. My anniversary is 7th February and Valentine is 14th, exactly 1 week apart. So we don't celebrate both separately. We normally celebrate it together. So this year I was like, Oga, I know we know they always exchange gifts, so but let's just gift each other small this year. Come and see yourself. So we have a guest. So I told my husband, I know we normally don't gift each other, but let us gift each other small this year. Do you want to say something? What do you want to say?
Hey guys,
Uh-huh. What is your name?
Adana,
And then why did you not go to school?
because
Mm-hmm.
I'm sick.
You're healed in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Hey, this is my twin, yo. So I told my husband this year that let's just exchange gifts because there was no reason. I was just like, let's exchange because there was something I wanted. So he was like, okay, no problem. I'm like, okay, fine, let's do it. So, but if I tell you guys the gifts we actually give each other, if I'm going to be like, how can two people be this unromantic in this life? So I'm about to unbox my gifts from my husband. I have the gift here. So this big box is my gift from my husband. Then the one on top is a gift that my sister's husband gave me, aka my, at this point Christian is like my third husband or fourth. I don't know. The queue is long. Christian, you came late. Sorry. The final one is something that I bought for myself, but we're going to be unboxing all of them today. Drum roll, please. So for my anniversary slash Valentine, I asked Francis to get me a gimbal because I've always wanted one. So here it is. I don't know if I'm excited. This is the DJI RS3 Mini. So, until come and pass. So I decided to go with the mini because after doing my research, my camera, my lens, this is enough to carry my camera and my lens, and it's also not too heavy. So that way my hand will not be paining me or any other person using their hand will not be paining them. It's not too professional, like it's not too serious. It's not one of those ones that can carry the biggest lenses in the world and the biggest cameras in the world, but it's basically a mini version of that one. So DJI came up top notch, best. If you're about to get a gimbal, like DJI was like out there, especially this RS3. So I went with the mini, and yeah, we're going to be doing an unboxing today. And I'm also going to put my camera on it and move around the house and show you guys the movement with the gimbal and also the movement without the gimbal, so that you guys will get the difference. Gimbal, whatever. Like I don't even know how this thing is pronounced, but it's a gimbal. So my sister's husband, on the other hand, decided to get me an extra microphone. So you guys can see I'm using this Rode mic. So here it is. So this is a Rode mic. I normally pin it on my clothes, but like my outfit today is too high, so yeah, it's not going to really catch my voice the way I want it. So I'm holding it here. But basically, even though I have another mic that I would have pinned into and then pin it on my body, well, yeah, whatever. So I wanted another mic because I have some, like, if you know me, you know Loudly Woman. If you've been a, returning on this channel, you know Loudly Woman. And Loudly Woman, I normally have multiple guests and I only have two mics. So I always have to outsource the mic and stuff. My husband is here. So basically, can you close the door? You're confusing me. So, this is porn. Jerenu. So basically, I decided that I wanted another mic so that when I have multiple people, I can be able to mic everyone myself. And I did my research and see, I don't know why, but I found this Synco. This is the Synco mic. So apparently, it's the exact same thing as this Rode that I'm using. Just that Rode is about 100. My husband said it's apparently, not apparently. Okay, apparently it's the same thing, just that this is about 100 and something dollars more expensive or $200 more expensive. I'm not sure. So of course I tried to buy with like the more affordable one. Seeing as what I need it for is not even that serious, and it has excellent reviews. So if you're looking to buy a mic, wireless mic, and you don't want to spend the ridiculous money buying the Rode, trust me, you should go with this. We're going to test it on this video today so that you guys will also see. And then finally, yeah, talking out of camera, finally I got myself this light, which, you know what, let's start from this light. Let's make this a little bit moody and just set the scene. So I'm just going to set up this light that I bought for myself, and then yeah, we'll continue this video. You guys, I quickly want to show you this light that I bought. This is not how I'm going to be using it. Like, this is not the setting, but just to show you guys. So I can turn it orange. Why is it not moving? I'm pressing green. Okay, green, blue. Can you guys see the difference? Then let's do yellow. This is yellow. Oh, yellow is so cute. Like, I can imagine this, like, when my setting is right and my lighting is right. I can actually imagine this. This is, I don't know what color this is because I'm not even seeing well again. Oh, it has this one that is just changing colors. It's about to be a party over here. So that's basically the light. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off. So it comes to this remote. So sometimes I want like to set the mood, do like a spotlight on myself, and my background will be like a different color. I'm sure if you've been on social media, you've seen that setting somewhere. So I'm like, okay, let me try this out. Next, I'm going to be unboxing my gimbal. So I'm just going to drop the mic and do the full unboxing and yeah, show you guys. Let me try by make you know this I don't want nobody to give my mother like for this life I want to be celebrated. Don't wanna waste my days, I want to spend them on enjoyment. It's plenty of but then there's you.
The next day.
So you can easily move.
Okay. So as I'm moving, do up, down, up, down. Quick, do quick movement.
You change the speed to suit what you like. So there's a speed here. You just try. What you just do is you take your time, study the modes, like study the complete mode. This PF, this speed. Look at. You see that PF is only when you turn this one that the camera is turning. But if you do like this PTF now, it will be going down. But for PF, that's why you see this axis completely. Are you saying it? But now if you use FPV, let's see how it works. This one will go. This one will not go. Are you seeing it? You know, it's finished now. I think when I as I
It's not to buy, it's not to buy, it's to learn how to use. Oh my God's grace, I'll be learning.
Yeah, when you start using it,
Run far and come back to me. Be running. When I say stop, you stop. I run. Look where you're going. Stop. Oh yeah. Go, start running to me. Run to Visuche. Okay.